So we were coming out here to cook some Hudson hamburgers here the other night, and well, we opened up the grill, and lo and behold, the largest freaking bird nest I've ever seen in my life was in our grill with 4 eggs, but now there's 5. So we're gonna let the birds keep their home.
Yeah.
And there's the bird keeper.
I figure that's a species pterodactylus.
Yes, we think it's a pterodactylus.
It's been coming around here for days. It came by, took my toupee right off the top of my head.
Yes.
I had to stop for a second, and I almost freaking threw up.
Careful! Here it comes! Look out!
Like right then and there, I almost threw up. Like.